Hello, guys. Welcome back to Fix Your Apps, where we make tech simple for everyone. Today, we're diving into how to remove messages bubbles on Android. If you find our tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more straightforward tech guides. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Android device and open the Messages app. This is where you'll manage your text and voice messages. Step 2. Next, look for your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap on it. This will open a menu with various options related to your account and settings. Step 3. In the menu, until you find the Messages Settings option at the bottom of the screen, then click on it. This will take you to the Settings menu for the Messages app, where you can customize various features. Step 4. Once you're in the Settings menu, find and tap on the General option at the top of the screen. Step 5. Within the General menu, look for the Bubbles option on the screen and tap on it. Step 6. You will see various options on the screen related to message bubbles. Step 7. Finally, simply tap on the Nothing Can Bubble option on the screen to disable message bubbles. And that's it. You've successfully removed messages bubbles on Android. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.